Wolbachia was discovered 100 years ago inside the reproductive tissues of a few insects. Today it exists in 40% of all insects and other arthropod species. It also has biomedical relevance because Wolbachia can inhibit the transmission of pathogenic viruses like Zika and dengue virus to humans.
Students start out by asking questions about their environment and their community, about what insects might be in their community, if they have Wolbachia, what the impact of Wolbachia might be on those insects.
We're going to be dissecting these bugs and extracting their DNA to see whether they have Wolbachia in them or not.
We want to encourage international participation in discovery-based science. We want to enhance student interest in biodiversity and biotechnology. We want to expose students to real-world research in nature where they discover something new. And finally, and the most important, we want to give students a vision of what it's like to be a scientist.
I want to be able to express to other people that science is so much more than just what you see on a textbook and on TV.